This 2021 Keystone Bullet 330 BHS Ultra Lite is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Flagstone interior, sleeps 10, DVD player, air conditioning, microwave, skylight, TV antenna, water heater, smoke detector, Colorado detector, LP detector, self-contained, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Bullet 330 BHS Ultra Lite is 7,480 pounds. This 2021 Keystone Bullet 330 BHS Ultra Lite. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.